Hi, I'm Delilah, Senior Developer at Whitewood Media. Today I'm going to show you Exquisite Sitemap, a free sitemap generator for your Shopify store, brought to you by Whitewood Media. So, to start off with, you'll have the Welcome Exquisite Sitemap. From here, I want you to click on HTML-sitemap settings. You'll click on View Settings, and then we have all the steps laid out for you. I'll have you click on Step 1 for Create Page Template. You can click on the little question mark for me. It'll load. As you can see, we generated a GIF for you just in case you needed more in-depth steps and you need to click away from the video. But we made it pretty easy and integrated it right into step 1. You enter the customizer. You'll see your page populate right here. I want you to hit default page on the very top. From here, I want you to select pages. Scroll down to the very bottom and hit create template. It's blue and highlighted for you. Then I'll have you type in HTML/sitemap and create the template. Select Add Section, hit Apps, and it'll be automatically in here for you already. Hit HTML Sitemap section. You'll see that it populated on your page already, but we also added some very cool tools for you that will show up here on the left for you. So you can go ahead and edit it directly from this page. You can select a background color. For example, if your favorite color is the color green, you can change your settings to make it green, and there it is. You can also change the link text color. So if you wanted to be freaky and make it red, you could make it red directly from here. There's a lot of different editing tools that we integrated in here for you. I'll have you take a look and see what is most applicable to your website. Once you've made your editing and you're satisfied with the way your page looks, you can go ahead and hit save, and it'll automatically save the changes for you. This will already be populated on your website. So your clientele can see that your favorite color is green and that it's also red. Please do not go with this color scheme because it is heinous. If you refresh the page, you can see which steps you've completed. The last and final step is to simply enable or disable the app. So if we wanted to launch this, we would hit enable, save changes, and bada bing, bada boom. Now that you've enabled the app, you can select View Sitemap and see that the HTML sitemap is already active on your page. You can see that we made it nice and hideous for you for viewing. Hopefully you pick a different color scheme, but we don't judge. If you have any questions along the way, have no fear. We've already answered them. We thought of all the questions you might have. If you have more questions than this, feel free to email us for 24-hour business support. However, for example, let's say you want to know what kind of pages you can exclude from the sitemap. Click on here. There's your answer. You can exclude any page and any product. What more do you need? What does the app do? You should already know because you're here, but in case you need further elaboration, it's here for you. Read it. Understand it. If you want to exclude a product from your page, I'll have you click on Exclude Pages. We added this on just for you. If you wanted to exclude product, for example, a product you've discontinued or is no longer for sale, you can select Products. This will show you all the products that you already have pre-listed on your site. Click on the products you want to exclude. Click Select. If you want to exclude these, hit Update. If you've noticed you've made a mistake, discard changes. That's it. This has been Delilah with Whitewood Media. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you for the next video. We are constantly implementing new products that will help you build your website. If you don't know how to build a website and want help building a website, please email or contact us with the link down below.